Hello, my name is Nathan. I'm a caffeinated human and coffee technician at 787 Coffee. The tartness of the tonic water complements the bitterness of the espresso, creating a complex and interesting profile that is both refreshing and delicious. How to make an espresso tonic at home. Begin by making a double shot of espresso using your favorite coffee beans and an espresso machine. Fill a glass with ice and pour 4 to 6 ounces of tonic water. Be sure to use high quality tonic water for best results. Add a double shot of espresso to the glass of tonic water. Squeeze a wedge of lemon or lime into the mixture if desired, and stir gently. Enjoy your delicious and refreshing espresso tonic. This drink is a perfect pick-me-up for those hot summer afternoons or anytime you need a caffeinated boost. Stay caffeinated and keep watching our Coffee Drinks Explained guide courtesy of 787 Coffee. A from farm to cup experience, sustainable growing processes, roasted to perfection, and brewed with passion and love.